Hello everyone, and welcome back to my video. I'm going to be teaching you another flip fins trick. It is called quick drop, and it looks like this. That is what it looks like, and now I'm going to teach you how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to just hold it basic at first, and then what you want to do is you want to move your grip from the bottom to the top fin. So then you can just let these dangle, and then when they're dangling, you want to hold it like with one finger, and then flip all of it up into like the basic knife position, like that. And then from there, you can catch it, and then what you want to do is move your finger from this basic grip down here and move it in the middle right there, and then you can drop the rest, flip it back up, and then you can repeat it. And sometimes if you mess up and like let's say you get that and they fall down, you can hit your hand like that. You just hit your hand and it bounces off, and then it can go down. But this will hurt your hand eventually if you keep doing it, because that's why I have a glove on. I hurt my hand really bad. Anyways, that's how you do it, and thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.